Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 secret apps to make money online for free. I'm sure you'll agree with me that engaging in a side hustle doesn't just augment your income, but it also grants you the freedom to pursue your passions and interests beyond your primary job. Thankfully, the digital era has ushered a lot of side hustle opportunities worldwide. So whether you're a student, full-time worker, or a stay-at-home parent, there is an abundance of avenues to earn extra money while balancing your existing commitments. In today's video, I'm going to delve into some of the best side hustles that can bolster your earnings and propel you closer to your financial objectives. There are a ton of apps available for money making online. Many of them are actually well known due to the popularity of these apps and the resulting intense competition, and it can be challenging for new users to make money with them. Today, I walk you through some secret apps to make money online. These apps are fantastic platforms to engage in money-making activities with little to no competition because not many people know about it. Yes, so not many people are familiar with them. Additionally, none of the secret money-making apps that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today, none of them require any kind of startup investment. As a result, you can register for free and you can start making money from today. Now, here are 5 secret apps to earn money online for free. The first one on my list here is Mode Earn app. Yes, Mode Earn app is a secret app to earn passive income online by listening to music. I kid you not. Aside from listening to music, this app also allows users to earn money through other activities like taking surveys, playing games, and watching videos. It is designed to be simple and user-friendly, which makes it easy for anyone to start earning money right away. The Mode Earn app can be downloaded from the Google Store or App Store, respectively. And this program does not have any region-specific restrictions, meaning it can be used and profited from any part of the world. The next app on my list here is Honeygain. Have you heard of Honeygain before? I told you these are secret websites. Honeygain is a mobile app through which you can earn passive income by sharing your unused internet connection. This app operates on a peer-to-peer network and enables users to monetize their idle internet by sharing it with other people. To earn with this secret money-making app, you simply need to download it, create an account, and keep it running on your devices. Yes, the higher the number of connected devices, the higher your potential income. Honeygain uses your device's internet connection to perform various tasks like data analysis, online surveys, and online advertising. In return, you will receive an amount of compensation for the unused data that you have shared. Honeygain is a legitimate and secure secret way to earn extra cash. Now, this app uses military-grade encryption to protect user data, and users are not required to share any sensitive information like your bank details or personal information. When you download the app, in fact, you automatically get a $5 sign-up bonus immediately. The next app on my list here is Vocal Media. Yes, so now Vocal Media is a secret app to make money online as a writer. With this app, you can earn monthly income from the contents that you create and upload to the platform. Vocal Media is a content creation and publishing platform that allows users to share their stories, their thoughts, and experiences with a global audience. The platform was created to give everyone a voice and empower them to share their unique perspectives with the world. They offer a wide range of categories for users to publish their content, including travel, food, fashion, technology, and many more. This platform also provides users with the tools and resources needed to create high-quality content like inbuilt editor and access to a library of images and videos. Apart from making money from the number of reads that your content receives, users can also earn more money by engaging with the content of other publishers right on this platform. Now, another platform on my list here is swap.com. Guys, if you prefer to make money from your old items and dispose them, swap.com is one of the best places to do that. Swap.com is a platform with a mobile app that provides an innovative and eco-friendly way to buy and sell gently used clothes and other household items. It's an online consignment store. This app allows users to easily browse and purchase items from a wide range of categories, including women's, men's, and children's clothing, as well as toys, books, and home goods. To make money with the swap.com app, you need to simply create an account, upload pictures of the fairly used products that you intend to sell, and set the prices that you intend to sell them. This app features a user-friendly interface and a clean, modern design, making it easy for buyers to find the items that they are looking for. The next app on my list here is called Rumble. Guys, Rumble is a video sharing platform with an app that serves as a secret app to make money by posting videos. This platform is a less popular alternative to YouTube, and it has low competition and a lot of earning potential. You can make as much, if not more, money from adverts on your videos on this platform as you would on YouTube, because this site has partnered with major tech firms like Xbox, Yahoo, and MSN. Also, for every video of yours that is used by one of their partner companies, you'll receive $50. Yes, flat. If your video gets featured on the first page of Rumble, you get an additional $100, making it $150. And affiliate marketing. Yes, affiliate marketing and advertising sponsorships are additional ways to actually make money with Rumble. Now, the Rumble app is available on both Google and Apple Play Store. Now, guys, the next app on my list is Zane app. Zane app is an app that will pay you to watch TikTok videos. Guys, there are lots of videos that you can watch and earn money from. You can get paid in cash every time you watch a 20-second video. Yes, so you can get paid $1 for watching videos, $1 per video that you watch on TikTok, which means you can earn some extra cash by doing fun kind of stuff, watching cool videos during your spare time. Additionally, you can earn more than this by referring people to download and use the app. By having the user watch videos and earn bonuses, you can split up to $12 with them, and you receive an additional $10 if you successfully invite 5 new users. The next app on my list here is called FOAP. FOAP. FOAP is a mobile app that allows users to sell their photos and earn money from their photography. It provides a platform for photographers of all skill levels to showcase their work and connect with potential buyers. To make money with FOAP, you simply need to upload photos to the app and set a price for each photo. The app then handles the sales and distributions of the photo, taking a small commission from each sale. And you can set your prices, and FOAP offers a variety of pricing options to suit different needs and budgets. The app has a large growing number, a community of buyers from all over the world, providing a unique opportunity for photographers to showcase their work and connect with a global audience. FOAP is actually available on both Apple Play Store and Google. Guys, if you're new to this channel, please introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. And if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Mariam. I'm based in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share various ways to make money. I'm your money mogul. Yes, so, and in case you have not seen my previous videos, head over to my channel and start to watch this video. Binge watch my videos one by one and start to make money from the comfort of your home. There are so many ways to make money. There are websites that dash out money. Yes, they give out money. There are websites where rich people actually give out money. And I also shared ways by which you can make money by selling your own photos. Yes, you can sell your photos. You can also make money chatting. Make sure that you head over to my YouTube channel and start to watch all the videos one by one. Yes, so on this channel, it's not about helping you to make money and become the best version of yourself. While you're introducing yourselves, let me also introduce myself. My name is Mariam. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer, and I share 3 videos every week on this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say a big thank you to you. You guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your massive support. And if you're new here, please make sure that you introduce yourself, like this video, and share with your friends, and also do well to join the family. Subscribe to my channel. Of course, it doesn't hurt and it doesn't cost you anything to subscribe to my channel. And to all of my Patreon members, you guys, thank you. I don't know what I've done to deserve your love, but thank you for the love that you've always shown to me on this channel. I love you all, and I appreciate every single one of you. If you want to be part of my Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Part of the perks of joining my Patreon community is that you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. You have direct and full access to me. We can discuss all things money, grants, business, and everything in between. And if you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. At this point, I want to say a big thank you to you guys for watching this video all the way till the end. Please like this video and do well to share with your friends and your community members as well. If no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are beautiful, you are gorgeous, and I am super, super proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in my next video. Catch ya. Bye.